facial and fingerprint recognition to keep your security in great condition. At Biometrics & Co., our goal is to keep your business safe and secure. We guarantee an accurate recognition system that not only analyzes your customers' fingerprints, but faces as well. With our technology, it will be almost impossible for someone to be able to beat our system.
These forms of biometrics are both efficient and easy to use. Just have each guest place their finger on the scanner and then proceed to the facial recognition device. After each photo has been taken, they're free to continue on their way.
Fingerprinting works by using a scanner that takes a digital photo of your fingerprint. This image captures the patterns of ridges and valleys. The information gathered is then processed by the system's analysis software and compared to other registered fingerprints.
Facial recognition works similarly. It uses computer-generated filters to transform facial images into numerical expressions that are then compared to one another to determine similarity. These filters are usually generated through something called deep learning, which uses artificial neural networks to process data.
To put it simply, the facial scanning part of technology builds up a 2D image map of your face.
The fingerprint scanner is accurate 98.6% of the time with just one finger, and with 4 or more fingers, it's practically foolproof with an accuracy rate of 99.9%. Although there are some limitations, it is possible to hack and can limit the customer's privacy.
While facial recognition is accurate 99.97% of the time, problems may arise such as conditions that are not ideal. This means poor lighting or positioning. Other limitations include possible flaws in the technology and potential privacy issues.
Both facial and fingerprint scanners can be expensive, but theme parks bring in lots of money, so it's still affordable. Also, it'll be worth the amount of money because the parks won't lose any income from customers sharing admission passes.
While biometrics are fairly accurate, they're not infallible. Over the years, hackers and researchers have beaten biometric solutions. Fingerprint recognition can be beaten by creating molds out of materials such as Play-Doh, clay, or gelatin. Facial recognition is much more difficult to beat, but creating a copy of one's face with distinct facial features is possible to use in place of the real one.
Although we have provided examples about how somebody could beat the system, it's much harder than it seems. For example, our technology has a built-in sensory system that once recognized and caught a person with a fake fingerprint mold. Our system has helped many other companies and will be a huge help to yours as well.
Using biometrics also comes with some privacy concerns, the main one being the government using the data for surveillance. As our technology becomes more effective, greater details are able to be captured. Because of this, superstitious tracking and identification might end up creating some difficulties.
To add on to Chloe's point, the problems are multiplied when biometric databases become multimodal, allowing the collection and storage of several different biometrics in one database. This combines them with traditional data points like name, address, social security number, gender, race, and date of birth. Further, geological tracking technologies built on top of large biometric collections could enable constant surveillance. If the government gets its way, all of this data could be obtained without a warrant and without notice or warning.
Also, many major places such as Disney World use this biometric technology. For example, each person who enters the park must scan their finger, and then your unique fingerprint is paired with the number that matches your ticket. This is to prevent ticket fraud. If somebody were to buy tickets for extra days and just sell it for more money, this wouldn't be possible because the ticket is linked to each person's unique fingerprint. Disney World also assures to all visitors that the fingerprint is deleted immediately after you enter, so there are no privacy concerns.
Our biometric security system is the most advanced technology on the market, making hacking almost impossible. With our technology on your side, you'll lose no further money from customers sharing admission passes. Choose us for a safer and brighter future.